Hey travelers, welcome back. So another airline has done it. They released a new unlimited pass. This airline is called Volaris Airlines. Now this is an airline that's based out of Mexico, but they do have some routes in the United States as well. You just gotta check their website out and take a look and see what routes they have and if it's a good option for you. So $230 USD. So this is for a yearly pass. Now, if you're someone has some family in Mexico, that you can travel to Mexico, then this is a great opportunity for you. And all you have to pay for is taxes and fees, and you're good to go. You could go visit your family, or if you love Mexico, then you can just go take vacations frequently to Mexico because you are able to go to a lot of different locations in the Mexico area. They do have a lot of options for that. You want to fly somewhere else, from my research, you would have to fly to Mexico, and then they have other options for you to fly to other places. They have South American options for you. So you can take a look at that and see if it's something that is a good fit for you. Now for domestic flights, you do have to book 1 day in advance only. So you do have to have the flexibility for that. Or if you work remotely, or like I said, if you have family there that you could stay for a while, that's a good option for you. For international flights, you only have 3 days ahead of time to book for those. You know, that's another option for you if you have the flexibility, or maybe you're a student and you want to go study abroad. That's a beautiful option for you as well. Now, they do allow one personal item on their website. It says this personal item does not have dimensions, but they do state it has to fit under your seat. So it could be like a handbag, a briefcase, a laptop bag, a small backpack, and you should be good to go with that to pay any extra. The unlimited pass starts on August 16th. So you'll be able to start flying out August 16th all the way for a whole year till next August. So that would give you a whole winter and a whole summer to enjoy in Mexico. A lot of beautiful areas that you can visit. Colombia, Costa Rica. You do have to be flexible in order to get to your location because from the United States, they don't have that many routes within the United States. So you would have to fly to Mexico in order to get to the other countries that they offer. I will keep you posted on any updates with any other airlines that maybe decide to do this, or if they have any great deals. Go ahead and go to the page and like and subscribe now, please. Safe travels.